One of my absolute favorite things to do in the eco printing studio is deconstruct damaged sweaters and create new accessories using the Dirty Pot eco printing process. And last week I was lucky enough to find a shrunken wool sweater in a charity shop. So I decided to document the whole process from dismantling the sweater to eco-printing the components and ending up with 3 new accessories. I thought that if I enjoyed doing this, you might like to join me for a free training and see how it's done. So from that one sweater that was way too small to wear, I created something called a dicky, which is a neck piece. I created a pair of gorgeous warm wool arm warmers and a third accessory. So if you would like to follow along, join the free training, just make sure to register using the link in this video description below. The link will mean that you are going to get some tips and advice in advance of the training, which is on the 22nd of February 2025. I will also email you a free workbook to accompany the training a little bit nearer the time. So if you are interested in learning how to deconstruct and eco-print a sweater to form new components, or if you're simply interested in the basic eco-printing process without using traditional powdered mordants, join me for my free training on February the 22nd at 6 p.m. GMT. That's Irish and UK time. I'll also pop a link to a time zone converter in the video description below. Hope to see you then.